A sum of 1550 was lent partly at 5% and partly at 8%. Simple interest. Total interest received after 3 years is 300. Find the ratio of money lent at 5% to that of 8%. The first clue in the question is the total interest received after 3 years is 300. So 3 years interest happens to be 300 rupees. Then for 1 year being simple interest, for 1 year it is 100 rupees. Now upon 1550 at the rate of 5% for 1 year, the interest received will be, now value substitution will give me, so for 1 year this is the interest amount received at the rate of 5%. The balance amount is nothing but the amount received at the rate of the balance, the difference of 8 and 5 being 3%. So the balance 3% difference is the 22 rupees 50 paisa, pertains to the difference of interest of 3%. Because interest received for 1 year at 5% is this, but actually this is the amount being paid to the person after investment every year. This is the interest. Therefore 100 minus this will give the amount which is the higher rate of interest, partly at 8%. So this part is for the 8%. For the entire year at the rate of 5%, 7750 was earned, but a 3%, 5 plus 3, this period at the rate for 3% 2250 was earned in this. That is the calculation of this amount and this part. So if you can watch the first video about the ratios, you come to know that R percent is I by P into 100. Therefore value substitution we have into 100 would give here the rate is 3%, as you have seen here, and from this we can obtain the P value by bringing these things, taking this here and bringing this here, and this cuts by 7.5, and therefore this is nothing but 750. And you should understand that this 3% also includes this 8%. 5 is also here. Throughout the year 5 was paid, but out of 100 only this has been achieved, and the balance is for 8%. And therefore if 8% part of the principal is 750, then out of 1550 the balance is for 5%. Now that has been achieved, 8% to 5%. Since we are asked the ratio of 5 to 8, 5% to 8% ratio will give 800 by 750, which is nothing but 25 16s and 25 15s. So 16:15 is the ratio of the money lent at 5 to 8.